What if one day a machine could do your job better than you? Artificial intelligence is advancing faster than anyone expected. Machines already outperform humans in many repetitive tasks. Transportation, manufacturing, and logistics are changing forever. Even fields like medicine and law are being transformed by AI. But does this mean humans will become obsolete? Creativity, empathy, and critical thinking remain uniquely human strengths. AI works best when it supports humans, not replaces them. The future depends on how we choose to use this technology. Jobs will change, but new opportunities will emerge. Adaptation, learning, and collaboration will define success. AI will not replace humans, but humans who use AI will replace those who do not.